everyone, I am Riya Sharma, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you a lot of things about village. As you all know, guys, that I'm in a village. I'm in my granny's house, and you can see here. Okay, so this video will be same like my previous video. In that video, I have posted village things, and I explain each and everything in English. So in this video also I will show you a lot of village things and I will explain you everything in English. So you will learn lot of thing by real life example. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's start this blog. So as you can see, this is the street. This is wider street, and this is wider than a city street. Okay, because in village people have lot of space, so you can see wide roads, wide streets, but in city it is not possible. We have narrow streets, and even no car can come in that narrow street, but in village it's not like that. Cattle are eating, and you can see these are the wheat field. If you can see, wheats have grown in a wider field, and this side also, if you can see, there are a lot of wheat crops. Look at this. And if you can see this big tree, this is a tree of bamboo. Okay, this is so pleasant. Look at this. The wheat crops have begun to ripen. Look at this green and yellow mustard plant. It has also started ripen. Look at this. This is made of cow dung, and this solid structure we call it gohti and in Hindi, but this is made up of cow dung. Ladies often use these gohti when they want to lit the fire in the chulha. They often use these gohti. I don't know what to call in English, like, but I know that it is made up of cow dung. Look at this, so many gohtis are there. Now I am near the temple, and look at her, she is so cute. We call it kid, and she is her mother. I don't know what she is doing. And look at these birds. I don't know, guys, that you have seen those birds or not, but we call it bakula in Hindi, and in English we call it egret. What we call it? We call it egret. The people are coming with their cattle. Few ladies are weeding. I mean, वो घास उखाड़ रही हैं, and घास उखाड़ने को we call weeding. Sorry, WEEDING, weeding. So few ladies are weeding. If you can see that lady, sorry, I'm not able to point it out to that lady, but that lady is weeding the crops. And look, these green plants, it's looking so beautiful. We call it bursing. And you know what, guys, why we grow these small and green plants? Because we have to feed our cattle. See, look at this. I have found spinach over here. This is called palak. You know, I feel this is the most beautiful thing. When you grow your vegetable, you eat organic, and you're not eating lot of chemicals. This is so nice. And if you are from village, so you can eat it, you can manage to eat organic food, and you can grow your food by your own self. But if you are from city area like me, so you cannot that is why I love living in a village, and I love this greenery. In city we cannot find it, this much greenery, these crops, where we find, we can't. But in village you can find everywhere. If you can see this uncle is weeding in his field. Look at these wide leaves. Look at this pink hibiscus flower. Okay, and here are so many hibiscus. Okay, and this is a yellow hibiscus. Okay, this is the beauty of nature. These all plants are hibiscus plants of different colors. This is yellow, this one is pink, and I feel that I have seen a red hibiscus plants also, but I'm not able to find out. Look at this dog. Look, this one. Okay, this is the yellow oleander. Look at this is the red hibiscus. Okay, it's not fully grown, but this is red hibiscus, and this one is, if you can see, so this one is pink oleander. And if you can see this tall tree, so this is gum tree. Look at these bundles. These are the mustard bundles, and it has harvested. And now look at this plant. This is a yellow pulse, but you know, like we call it arhar ki dal in Hindi, and in English we call it yellow pulse. Okay, this field is fully covered just because few animals destroy it very quickly. So people, most of the time when they grow the yellow pulse, they cover their field like this. And now we are heading to our house. This tree is neem tree. We all know this is very common tree in city area also. And look at the cattle. Those ones are buffaloes.